Anushka, how are you?
I'm fine, and what about you?
I am also fine as always. So, what have you done in your last vacation?
Oh, I had gone to my paternal parents' house.
Oh, well.
And what about you?
I have gone to my maternal grandmother's house.
And what you had done that day?
Yeah, we generally go for maternal's house for enjoying, so for weekend holidays. And you know that my maternal grandmother house is not so far, so I have gone through that, and I have enjoyed very much because my younger sister and brothers are so mischievous and also naughty, so I enjoyed.
Same here. I have gone to my paternal grandparents, and my cousins are really very annoying, and they didn't give me little bit space for myself. They always telling me to play with them, groom with them. So it was really fun and headache also.
Yeah, that's to happen with mine too. So what have you done? Some extra things like.
I tried to cook some dishes with the help of my grandmother and my mother also. So I really enjoyed the whole experience of cooking. And you?
And as you know that Makar Sankranti was there, so I have learned to fly kite with my younger brother, and he taught me how to fly kite because I don't know that, so it was also fun.
I had learned how to play carom because I didn't know how to play it, so my cousin taught me how to play carom, and that was really fun.
That's so good, yeah.
And have you gone the other place?
Yeah, I have gone to the Jhari temple also, and that Cake Comfort has been opened in Kuruma, so I have gone to my younger sister.
Oh, wow. And now what about today?
Oh, you know that vacations are over, so we will have to follow our daily
routine and boring routine also.
Yeah, but joining Oxbridge is not boring.
Yeah.
We can enjoy a good time.
We can spend our more time there also.
Yeah.
But now we have to go back home. It's very late.
Yeah, it's too late now.
Okay.
So let's meet tomorrow.
Yeah. We will go together Oxbridge.
Yeah.
Okay.
As usual.
Okay, bye.
Bye.